अच्छा, यहाँ पर there is a question for each of the following functions. Find the range corresponding to a domain x is greater than and equals to 1 and less than and equals to 3, and then the domain corresponding to a range f of x is greater than and equals to 1 and less than and equals to 5. तो पहला फंक्शन y इज इक्वल्स टू 5x-1 लिया है मैंने. I have to find out the corresponding range for this domain. अच्छा, range क्या होती है? You know the value of y, the maximum and the minimum value of the equation. Let's say कि if this is a line, let's say कि यहाँ पर the value of x is y is 1 and the value of y over here is 5. So this is the minimum point of the line and this is the maximum point of the line. So this is its range. I can write its range as f of x is greater than and equals to 1 and less than and equals to 5. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर क्योंकि the domain is from 1 till 3, if the equation is linear, so we will just substitute the extreme values of x, that is 1 and 3 only. But if the equation is non-linear, so we will substitute all the values 1, 2 and 3, and then we will choose कि which one is the minimum value and which one is the maximum value. So यहाँ पर we just have to substitute the extreme values, that is 1 and 3. So if I substitute 1 in this, so 5 ones are 5 minus 1, I will get 4 for the domain x is equals to 1. And if I substitute 3 in this, the 5 3s are 15 minus 1 will be 14. So y is equals to 14 for the domain x is equals to 3. So it means that its range is, meaning the value of f of x is greater than and equals to 4 and less than and equals to 14. This is its range. ठीक है. Now I have to find out the domain corresponding to the range. यानी यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू क्या है और यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू क्या है. This is the domain if I have been given the range, the values of range. So I will equate the same function with y is equals to -1 and y is equals to 5. F of x is greater than and equals to -1 and less than and equals to 5. And the function is y is equals to 5x minus 1. I am substituting -1 as the value of y. So this will become -1 and -1 will be cancelled. X is coming 0. And if I substitute 5 in place of y, 5 plus 1 will become 6. The value of x will become 6 over 5. So it means that its domain is from 0 to 6 upon 5. Okay, understand? Another question. यहाँ पे you can see the function f is defined by f of x is mapped on x square minus 2x for the domain x is greater than and equals to -2 and less than and equals to 0. So y is equals to x square minus 2x. I told you if the equation is non-linear, I will substitute all the values that is between -2 and 0. So x and y, if I substitute -2, so square of -2 will be 4 and this will be y is equals to square of minus 2 into minus 2. So this will be 4 and plus 4. So its value will become 8. If I substitute minus 2 after minus 2, if I substitute minus 1, so in place of minus 1, so here 1 and plus 2, it will be 3. And if I substitute, I have substituted minus 2, minus 1, and now I am substituting 0. So when I substitute 0 in this, so I will get the value of y as 0. So it means that the minimum value of y is coming 0 and the maximum value of y is coming 8. So this will become its range. F of x is greater than or equals to 0 and less than or equals to 8. Okay. You can find out the minimum value or maximum value by differentiating this and equating it with 0, because you know at the stationary point or at the minimum value or the maximum value, the gradient is equals to 0. So you can get the value, the minimum or maximum value, by differentiating this and by substituting these two values, minus 2 and 0, for the maximum value. Okay.